All right, so we have Pi here, which is an app for your iOS device and your Android device that you can mine cryptocurrencies, kind of like Bitcoin, but not Bitcoin quite, just a cryptocurrency. And to get started, all you got to do is download the app. You need an invite code. I've included the invite code in the description, and I'll put it on the screen here. It's just Greg1, the number 1. And once you download that, you'll be in my networks, and then you can promote it as well and get people in your network. As you can see here right now, I have 5 people mining out of 17, and that makes my mining rate go up. Right now, I have 409 Pi, and it just every second here, it's going up and up and up. Right now, at the time of making this video, there is, let's go back here for a second. There is about 800,000 pioneers at the moment. And once it hits 1 million, the rate's going to drop down. So you want to jump on this early, much like Bitcoin back in 2008-ish. If you were in early, you've been, lots of money by now. Anyways, so what exactly else is going on in here? Well, this doesn't drain your battery on your phone or any of that stuff. In fact, iOS, Apple has banned those kind of apps, so it doesn't do that. I've been using it for maybe a week now or so. I've invited, as you can see, 17 people, actually 16. One of my friends that invited me is in my network as well. And you have your team here, and you could put people, once you have, I think, mining for 3 days, you can add all the people that you invited, and you can see some of them are mining and some of them are inactive. Because every day you have to log in, and you just hit a button and you start mining again, and it gives you a notification on your phone when it's time to do that. Mine's about 10:30 in the morning every day, and that keeps you mining. There's a frequent asked questions, of course, all that good stuff. So Pi is not free money. At the time of making this video, there is no value actual to Pi. It's a cryptocurrency that eventually will possibly, there's no guarantee, I guess, that you will actually get money out of this. But that is obviously the intentions of this whole thing. And it's made by Stanford graduates. I think there's 4 of them or whatever. I forget exactly. But there's a whole bunch of stuff you can read here. It's not a scam. It's a genuine effort by a team of Stanford graduates. Yeah, see there, to give everyday people greater access to cryptocurrencies. And you can read more about it there. All that good stuff. So I'm not going to go on too much longer about this. I'm testing it out. I got nothing to lose by doing it. It's a completely free app. And you just kind of mine every day, and we'll hope for the best here. So check it out. Use my referral code, folks. That is all for now. Please check out my channel. Subscribe to the channel. There's tons of other videos about making money online. Check out my #1 recommendation for making money online if you want to be a full-time entrepreneur, build your own business. There's a link for that in the video description below. It's the top link there. I will talk to you soon. Goodbye.